Good morning. Welcome back to my dungeon workshop here. Today we're going to make a little passport holder for your vaccine card. You know now because you have to show your card and your ID at the same time. Why not put them in the same thing? Show you how that works. Couple little cards here. Like that. You can see what they are. Card, ID. Let's make them. So this is what you need. What I'm going to use, I made a pattern, a template. Nice piece of leather here. For the plastic, you probably all just have this around. It's from an old bag. It's from an old quilt bag, comforter bag. Everybody has these around, so you really probably don't have to buy anything if you have a scrap piece of leather in a plastic bag. Well, let's get started. There, I've cut one piece out already. Take our template on here. So we take our template and put it on here. There you go. It's going to glue this double. Okay, this one we doubled over. You can see a little bit of the air bubbles. I don't think it looks too bad. It'll dry more as the glue dries. And this one we put some of that edging from that package around on it. It actually looks okay. So we're going to glue one with these and one with this and see how it looks. Alright, you could see that we were done. Glued them first, and then I sewed them with my hand crank machine. This is the first one. Just one layer of plastic. Maybe it stretches, I'm not sure. So this is the second one. And this doubled up here. It looks okay. Looks a little gluey. I'm not totally impressed with. They just look a little gluey. And then this is the different one with that seam on there. This one doesn't fold as good, so I'm thinking to double up the end is the best. Just if you can find a way to make it less gluey. Well, that was my little project for today. If you like today's show, subscribe, hit the like button. If you have ideas that'll help others, please leave them. Thanks for watching.